Welcome to Techno Analyst. Today we will see basic configuration of switch. So we will consider this 2960 24 port switch. Okay, we will click zoom in. This is the front panel of the switch and this is a back panel. On back panel you can see only one port, which is console, and here you can see all 24 ports. So we will install a basic configuration like um, enable switch, host name, a date, in command line interface. Just click enable. One more thing I like to show you. We'll close this. In the real world scenario, you have to connect switch through here. Through console, you can configure the switch. So we will work like that. So we should also configure the same thing. Assume that we will use one laptop, and that laptop is connected to the console or to the switch, or else like console to RS32. Once you configure, assume that this is your terminal or kind of putty kind of software. Through that you can enter to the switch and configure the switch. Click OK. See, here you can see your switch. Now config. In configuration mode, you can set the host name, like host name. I can give role. The moment I click enter, you can see the host name is changed. Now click on exit. Now we will save the configuration using copy space running dash config startup dash config. This is how you can save the configuration of the router. Sorry, even in the router also you can use the same command, but here you can use but in the switch you can use copy running config space startup config. There is one short command you can use that will also I will show you. So instead of this you can use write command. Just click on write and press enter. That's it.